Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me teach you on how to use Canva app. This video will help you as a beginner and using the Canva app where you can use this tool in many different ways. Now let's start this by downloading the Canva app to your device. This time I'll be using my iPhone. Let's download the app from the App Store and once it's finished, open it, then create a Canva account. You can choose to use your Google account or your iCloud to sign up for a Canva account. After creating your account, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. Now the fun starts. To begin using Canva, simply click the Create a Design or the plus sign button. From here, you have three choices. First, choose from a suggested templated size, such as YouTube email, Instagram posts, and more. Second, create your own custom dimensions. And a third, upload a file or photo to begin editing. Choose the option that works best for the design you're hoping to create to get started. For example, let's just create for an Instagram post. Now in here, you can choose to select a template design so you don't need to start from scratch. Some of the designs are for pro users, so let's just settle for the free ones. Let's use this kind of template right here. Now replace all the images to the one that you want. After that, you can add elements to add uniqueness to your post. Add or edit text by using the text tool below. You also have the upload tool to add additional photos that you want. You can draw to add your own design. There's a lot of tools here you can explore to make your design more unique. Take your time and using the Canva app to gain experience. Once you're done with your design, tap on the share button at the top right, then download, or you can choose to share the link. That's about it. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.